All right, so let's continue with our second session. So we have already create each of the student with the Google form. Okay, right now we are going to integrate the data from individual form towards a Google Sheet to record data. All right, this is the part 2, which is this one. Okay, form individual pelajar, because we need to make sure we need to gather the data from each of the student. Like we enter a supermarket, we need to write down each of everyone our personal body temperature. Okay, so right now, okay, let's continue with this. So this is the first one. So remember, okay, so maybe I created 4, right? So okay, let's make it as a 4 example lah. So okay, I've created Ali, right? The first one, right? So we double click. Okay, we double click. All right, the suhu badan. So we are going to make a response on for that. Or before that, we need to make sure the setting, the presentation, this one. We need show link to submit another response. We unclick it because we only need to send one time of body temperature one per day. Okay, one time, one result only. Okay, so we continue. We go to the spreadsheet. We create a new spreadsheet. Okay, so maybe we can write suhu badan 5A. This is the name of the spreadsheet. So we create it. Okay, they will come out. All right, so it come out with the suhu badan. For example, let's see. We write with fresh preview. For example, 35 degrees Celsius. For example, 36 degrees Celsius. We submit. So they'll straight away they'll come out with the time, the date, the second, the hour, and the suhu badan. So each of the student they have their own Google Sheet to collect the body temperature. Easy for you. Okay. There is a tab over here. Maybe you can change it. Rename maybe Ali, because the first name is Ali, right? This is Ali. It's for Ali. So later we need to create a lot of tabs. Okay. So now, okay, we just cross it. Don't worry, everything will be saved automatically. Okay, so you see there's a Google Sheet form over here for the suhu badan 5A. So when we press it, down there we just imagine there are a lot of tabs is to save each of the student body temperature. All right. So now let's continue. For example, number 2, let's continue. Okay. So make sure the presentation, yeah, we need to unclick it. Okay. We go to respond again, same step. Okay, but starting from the second one, we select the existing spreadsheet, which is the previous one, the first one. We select, and then we go to the suhu badan 5A that we created just now. Okay, they'll show a link together. Then you see down there, you can change to rename it Benny. Okay, so for example, let me see. You see, preview. For example, you scan the QR code, it will come up with this page, and then maybe you can write 37.5. Okay, we submit. Okay, so straight away, you see, there's a suhu badan. Okay, the time, the date, and the suhu badan in Benny's Google form. Sorry, Google Sheet. So everything will be calculated. So you can add a lot of rows that you need in every day. So how to check all the students? Maybe you can press this one, all sheet. Okay. You can see maybe this is the 2. Okay, again, let us see together. Again, okay. Pangka. Don't worry, everything will be safe. Number 3rd one. Okay, we double click it. First step. Second step. 3rd step. 4th step. 5th step. Select. Boom. Come up. Okay.